Howdy. It's your boy, Prez Pickle. It's your boy. Who uses that? Alright. This is a coding. Is the music too loud? I don't think it will. I think my voice is too loud. It looks too loud on the voice visualizer 10,000. Yeah. Okay. So let me just resize the text. Text resized. I know. And move it across. There you go. It's a bit better. Alright. So we are working on a game where you're a dinosaur. I'll show you it. It's a cool game. You can be a dinosaur. What's this? Oh yeah, if delete that. There we go. Don't need that. So you can see this is the enemy that I'm adding, because we're going to be making a menu today where you'll be able to die and do all kinds of stuff. I just resized it so it's cool. You can see flamboyant triceratops. Let's see if we can go good without the player touching us. God. Come on. Come on. There he is. Ooh, he can't touch us. Ah. And we can use boost, which is the energy up there. Whoa. That was close. 38% left, 35% left. Ooh. Grab some XP. And 22. We also might add our... So next to the percentage left, it'll say how much XP in general is left. Because these little globules give you 50 XP. And we're probably going to add mushrooms maybe, and logos. Look at that guy following us. Wow, we're a forest triceratops. Come fight me. Fight me. Oh yeah, you can see you can level up. Now it's going to be harder to get XP. And it's pretty good. And it's still same distance to where you can't move. But we should... Oh yeah, and you can almost boost twice using the forest triceratops, because the boost is slightly extended and your health is also extended a bit. Which you should have just seen. There we go. So it's a bit easier. And now we're just going in a straight direction, because I don't care. Okay, let's start collecting stuff again. Let's see if we can get to the next thing, which is a concrete triceratops. And that's the latest triceratops we have. See what the chat's doing. Nothing at the moment. Okay. Anyway, we're going to collect these globules. Ooh, globule. Globule. And yeah, so the little guy is following us. Hello, little guy. Woo, you can't catch me. Ooh, globules. Globules. I want those globules. But yeah, this is a game. It's cool. Now if we just start going up. Bit to the side, hopefully we'll be able to make it to the start, and there's 3 globules on this, so we're close to the start. I don't know why I call them globules. Here we are, this is the start. But yeah, the berries, I should call them, they spawn only when you're within a certain distance from the actual plant, because otherwise there's too many berries in plants around the map. But here we go. So let's eat all of these. Let's get all of this. See if we can level up. Actually, let's just stay still. We'll go directly up How about that? Yeah, directly up. That works for me. And we'll just let it load in as many as we want because we're cool. Look at all those berries. That's a lot of berries. Let's collect them. Let's collect them up. Ooh boy, we're a concrete triceratops. Look at us. Woo. Okay. So that's gonna hang out there. And wait. There's no animal after concrete triceratops, but you know, we'll still level up a bit more. I haven't gotten past concrete triceratops ever before though. There's no way to die, I'm just impatient. Anyway. Let's keep on going. Also, there's no maximum how many berries there can be at a bush, so I should change that. Whoopsie, dodge him. See how the chat's going. Still nothing new. So. Also, the concrete triceratops can boost twice, which is nice. Anyway, let's stop playing that. Okay, so what we're going to add now is a way of the player getting hit and the player hitting object enemy. Well, it won't hit it yet. Object enemy will hit it and then the player will bounce back for a bit. So let's add a collision with object enemy and then let's go, is bounce a thing? Move, bounce, solid. Okay, I'll research that real quick, but for now let's go HP minus equals 10, let's say that. And now let's just make this solid. And then let's just keep on working on it, and I will research this new thing. So let's go bounce GML, move, bounce, solid. This will enable non-precise bouncing of instances. See. I see. Okay, so we're gonna set dir will equal. Oh wait, yeah, that's right. Dir is down here somewhere. So I'll just copy this. And I'm going to paste it in. Where to paste it though? Where to paste it? Let's put it in. I don't know. Well, we can undo this. Actually, yeah, we can get that undone. And we can now paste. Oh, wait, hang on. No, we don't need to do that at all. Because we can add it in here, right down here. Which we can just change object wall to object underscore enemy. Alright, let's see if this works. Let's see if we bounce off, take a bit of damage. So, boop. Whoa, damage just went down to 0. And we can't move at all. So, that doesn't work. Oh, that's why. Because it moves by not direction. And now we should see that we can not move, because that's not how it works. Well, directions seem to be good. Plus V speed, H speed. Well, we don't really have a H speed. We have direction X and speed. So, should we just make it the 1? I don't know. Let's try this. So let's go like that. Then let's just make it all like that. And let's replace this with X Y. Bloop. Oh, okay, so we can move now. Well, we can't really, but we should make where he bounces backwards. So speed equals negative speed plus 180. I don't know. Negative speed plus 180 would mean make it all positive, so yeah, it doesn't really work. Speed equals negative speed, because speed never gets 180, so otherwise it would just keep going further and not make it. So let's see, it should now go in the opposite direction as the player, as the object enemy. But how do we check in which direction the object enemy is? Let's search this up. How to check in what direction object is. Gmail. So, I don't know. Let's keep on trying. So right now we have that. What if we change this to direction equals negative direction? I mean, this equals that, which I don't like, but you know. So it should automatically flip it, but it doesn't. Because I don't use that, but let's just try this. So let's go to X, to Y. Whoopsie. Let's see. No, that doesn't work. Okay. If we uncheck solid, but that'll just keep it bouncing forever. So I don't know. We'll set it to that, and then it should bounce back every time without going for equals negative direction I'm gonna do negative speed times 20. This will just check if it's actually working. So if it does work, we should be teleported back a bunch, which we aren't, so we know it doesn't work. Okay, but oh, there we go, we were just teleported back a bunch. Hey, that's pretty cool. So that shows that it can, as long as it equals x y, but we need to go x and wait a second. Now the thing that I don't get is whether or not it'll be able to kill us if, for example, we're facing over here, because direct so equals over there. But if we face it directly, we can go infinitely back. Woo! Okay. Let's go just x and y. So now it should fling us back. Which doesn't, but it does sort of, depending on where we are. So all we need to do now is paste this into here, go to the step event, remove that. There we go. Okay, this might just have it. Say for example we're going really slow off over here, he hits us. Of course, yes, speed isn't set, so we need to actually get rid of variable speed. What else? That's it. Okay, so now it should bounce us back. So let's go really slow, and doesn't bounce us at all. God. Oh yeah, because the speed when we're going slowly is very slow. So speed equals speed max, which is in a create event, which is nice. So it automatically equals speed max now. So let's just stop, and doesn't do anything. So speed equals negative speed max times 20. What if we go speed equals that, and direction equals negative direction? Because in theory that will get the direction that the player is pointing, and will launch him back, which it doesn't. So if I just remove that, let's see what happens when it hits. Nothing, because our speed can't be changed. So this doesn't even work. So what if we put this here, and then we go speed max, and we go step, and direction isn't set, so there we go, and then we can go negative direction, which won't work. It'll just put us in the opposite direction where we are right now. Say for example, pointing over here, we're putting us there. But now we just need to make it where it gets rid of this. So we just need to set this to point direction. So point direction XY to let's set a couple more variables. So then let's go there. Enemy X equals instance nearest X Y OBJ underscore, oh hey, hang on, equals other dot x, because the other will be the enemy that we're colliding with. So we can easily just change these to match those, and we can add these in like that, which, oh, whoopsie, negative direction, which might just work. Say for example, it's coming at me, doesn't teleport me away, except it does a bit here. It does a bit here. So all we gotta do is set direction equals that, because don't know why that wasn't there before. That might have been the problem, but let's just let him hit me. There we go, look at that, it's bouncing me away. Oh, that's so good. So let's go direction times 20, for example, which we're going to make it where it fires us away and then slowly goes back down to speed. But let's see how far away does this make us go. Doesn't even shoot us away. Okay. So obviously that is not that, because direction times 20, you can't times that by 20. So it would just reset it back to 0. Oh, yes. Okay, so speed maximum times 20 is what we want. And we're going to set another variable soon, which will be the variable for how far you want it to actually go. So now if we let it hit us, look at that, we get flung away. And it only hits us once, which is nice. Say for example, we're going really slow and boom, hits us. We get pushed away. Now let's go here. Look at that. Oh, that's good. Okay, so now what we got to do is we got to get variable. Let's make it variable push. Actually, no, this won't be a variable. This will just be. Let's do a create event and let's go. Let's go equals 0. Okay, yeah, and then we can set push maximum inside all of these classes. So push m equals, so this is how far it will be maximum of it being pushed away. It will equal, I'm gonna say 70. So we'll push it away 70 and then it will slowly go down. Yeah, that's good. Then we can just copy these down. And we can change these, which I don't really want to. So we can copy the tier as well. There we go. So now push equals push m and push t equals 0. So push t will equal 0, and then what we're going to do is we're going to make it where push t equals negative push t. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's how it works, because you can cycle between equals negative. So equals negative Gmail. Alright, yeah. So we'll try that. So we'll go a step event and then we'll go push t equals not push t. I'm pretty sure that's how it works. Anyway, then push t will equal 1, and this will equal obviously push, because that's what it equals now. which it will go like that, and push T will replace that for now. It will plus push. And push M equals 70, push equals 0 for now. And then we'll activate the push over here, which we can actually, we don't even need push T anymore because we don't need to toggle it. So push T we can get rid of. And this will equal the maximum, and then it will go push plus speed. And that's how the other one will work as well. So then this will push it back, and obviously negative direction we can't do over there, so it's going to keep adding that to it. But yeah, I'm not sure about that, but we want it to be really slow, like really fast, I mean, but fast enough to notice that it like pushes it away. Yeah, so negative direction, push plus speed. For now, we'll just do that. Because now, okay, we're not getting flung away, which isn't that good. Which, let's just undo. Wait, no, reader. And let's just try that. Yeah, that works. So that's pushing us away. Like that. We want that to be a lot better though. So push M, I'm going to say equals 200. And now what we want to do is we probably want it to fade up to that and then fade down. Or just fade up and then stop. So push plus equals, this is when we're not going to need push T, but undo that. Let's just see what this is. So that is good. So say reason we were going right at it. Whoopsie, where is it? There it is. We would just get pushed like that, but we don't want that. We want it to be flung back, then gradually go towards it. So push equals push M divided by 20. Push plus equals push M divided by 20. And the reason we're using divided by 20, not like an actual number, is because push M might equal like 0.2. And this is just making sure that it does that. So this is if push is not over push M, then it'll do that. And it'll do that. Yeah. So what's this all about? Unexpected terminal operator. Oh, yeah. So you can just change it to below or equal to. Alright, so we're gonna need this push T. Wait, hang on. Reader. Ooh, whoopsie. So let's try this out. So we now have a push toggle, which I'm gonna change the speed plus push. Or we can just make a completely new thing, which will be if push T does not equal 1, then I'll do that. So let's do this. If push T does not equal 1, then we'll do this. Else, this is if it equals 1, we're going to change it to this, which will plus equal push minus that. So let's just go like this. Let's actually put this out a bit. And then we can raise that up. We can get rid of that. We can still do that. And that's good. And then it'll go like that. Yep, that seems to be the case. So now it'll always, your speed will eventually equal maximum, but not set before reading it. For object player, point direction enemy X, enemy Y. Ah, okay. So we just need to go like this. So it'll push it away, hopefully. Yeah, okay, so that went up. Then we gotta make a if push equals push M minus minus that and push T equals this. There we go. So let's test this out and see if it works. So let's just wait. Okay, so that didn't work, but so if it's below push maximum, it'll add push maximum divided by 2, but if push equals that, then it will equal that. Is that right? Is that right? Is that how it works? Yes, it is. Look at that. Okay, that it failed the second time, but it worked the first time, which I'm glad about. And now I need to make it where push equals 0. So it'll reset that, which I think might have been the problem. So look at this. Ooh, whoop, 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 whoop. Okay, can I please, you know, there I am. Hello. Woo, 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 wee. Hey, come get me. Woo, woo, woo. Yeah, okay, this is good. Alright, so now we gotta go if health if HP is below or equal to 0, instance destroy. Alright, there we go. So now he can be killed, I guess. Woo! Oh no. How much health does this thing have? Unable to find index object player. For what's this? Object enemy. Ooh, that's right. Because if you destroy object player, then everything breaks. Well, I'll just disable movement. I don't know. Oh, I know. Room speed equals 0. So it'll just stop the whole game. Now what's the HP on this thing? It equals 100. And if you collide this, HP minus equals 10. But it obviously doesn't, so. This should all push it away fast enough to do that, but what's this? Trying to set the room speed to a value below or equal to 0. Okay. Fine, I'll just go game end. Okay, so it will end the game once we die. Oh, right, yeah. There we go. Alright. Now 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Only 7 hits that time. So HP will minus equal 10, which I think should be down here. I'm not sure if that'll do anything, but let's count. 1. Okay. Let's count. Here we go. 1. So if you stay still. Okay, what's happening? Because this didn't happen before. If I go straight at it, it does that. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. If I stay still, it just kills me. Okay, so let's go like this. Let's disable that for now, so you can try to work out the problem. So it still is doing something. Okay, that's not working. That's, I don't know. It's not launching my player back. That's a problem. So if you collide with it, I think it should be divided by 10 just to make it a bit more of an instantaneous sort of thing, because otherwise yeah, that went away instantly. It didn't even push the didn't even push the player back. That's dividing it by 10, so it should go away pretty easily. So let's go straight at it, and that doesn't even push it at all. Whoa. So it keeps hitting it over and over, and it gets stuck inside it. So we need to make it where if it's going to collide with it, like what I did with the if position meeting, we can add that to object enemy. It already is, but we can add a new one. If position meeting object underscore player, and we can go speed equals sine speed. Speed. There we go. And we can get rid of that. So, I'm not sure if this will work, but let's hope. No, it doesn't work. Speed equals zero. Yeah, I don't know what the problem is, because it goes a little, yeah, oh, okay, that, it should just automatically jump back, and I don't know what I did that caused it to not jump back. What if we just make it where it automatically adds the maximum? Because before it was working fine if I was on the side, and it isn't right now. Let's go divide by 20 again. And direction equals point direction from our x to that x, which is in the middle. And x plus equals length. See, it works on this, but very gradually, and it doesn't work when you're still, which I don't know why. So maybe if we go speed and yeah, so let's copy this over. Let's change this. Speed equals negative speed. So this will push that away a bit as well, which will give time for the player to move back, hopefully. Yeah, I mean it does, but it doesn't do it well. Speed equals negative speed. Let's just go times 2. Because that was not good enough. Let's try. That went away instantly. Speed equals negative speed. So it should move back. Yeah. So let's go like that. Which doesn't work at all. Maybe we should put it into its own, because this is checking for if it's position meeting, so where you need to check for collision, which I'm still not too knowledgeable about. Speed obviously won't set because it'll crash straight away. So we need to make variable speed. Ooh, whoopsie. There we go. Alright. Now let's watch. 2, 3, 4. It still isn't enough. Speed equals negative speed times 3. Let's do that. Let's see. So I'm just going still right now, and that goes away instantly. Absolutely instantly. Let's Let's make a hit cooldown instead of that. So HP minus equals 10. And now let's put this all in brackets. So if, and this will be a new thing, so if attack R, which is just attack ready, equals 1. So it's ready to attack. And now, if, now what it will do is it will set, actually it won't, so if, yeah, so if attack R equals 1, then it'll do that. Now let's go if alarm 0 does not equal is over is wait no hang on, yeah, it's over, it equals 0. Let's just do that. If alarm 0 equals 0, then alarm 0 equals, I'm gonna go room speed times 0.5. Alright, so let's just get all of this. Whoa, hang on. Let's just get all of that moved forward. And now let's add alarm 0. And now alarm 0 will set attack R equals not attack R, which what we want to do is we want to actually make it where if it does get hit, it'll then make it not get hit, and if it's not getting hit, then we don't want to make it go like that. So if we want to go else, actually we don't even need to do that because it should, but that bases it off that, which okay, I'm gonna get out my trusty whiteboard and write some stuff on it. Alright, so we want to set an attack variable, attack ready, which if attack ready equals 1, so I'm going to just write this down as attack ready. So when attack ready equals 1, then you can get hit. But if it equals 0, then can't get hit. Okay, so what we should do is we should move this into here, which will set attack ready to 0. And then it will set alarm 1 to room speed times -5. So we don't even need that. We just need to set attack R to equal 0 right here, because it will automatically disable it after, and then alarm 0 will set it to equal 1. So now let's check. So this will go 1, 10. Ah, yay, it works. Oh, that's nice. So that will be its passive ability, and I'll be able to set like how many seconds it will take of defense. So it seems to be where it can hit quite often. Obviously it's not being flung away right now, and I don't know how to fix that, but now what we should do is we should start experimenting with different room speeds. So let's check if this works. So let's go. Okay, so this is a bit too short, so let's go 3 for example. One, two, whoa, okay, yeah, no, not 3. Let's go 5. Let's keep it at 5, because it gives it enough time to finish being flung back. Which is nice. So I'll watch this. So for example, I was going away from it. Oh, I get hit. Oh, okay, this isn't getting hit. See, it gets stuck. So if it's inside it, let's re-add that collision with object player event, and let's go speed equals negative speed. Speed equals negative speed, which should prevent that from happening. So let's try to get stuck. Okay, we got stuck straight up, and speed is now speed right here. Speed equals distance to point that. What we want to do is we want to set a new variable. So let me get my trusty whiteboard ready. So we want to set a new variable, which if the variable is the case, speed will equal negative speed, but if it isn't, then speed will equal normal speed. So we can set this variable to collide, which we can just do col for short, so COL, which might get confused with color, so I'm not sure. So it'll be collide will by default be set to 0. But then as soon as it hits, col will equal 1, and then if it's not, which I don't know how to check if it's not, col will equal 0 again. If not collision, I don't know. Can we just put an else here? Would that work? Col equals 0. Is that a thing? No, it's not. This is gonna be hard. Alright, so this is checking if it collides, so we need to check if it's not colliding. So, this is going to be hard. So this just sets speed to negative speed. Now if we set that, won't work, so we should just go negative speed times 3 or maybe 4, I don't know, because that whole cold thing won't work. Actually no, it will, because if we watch it collide and try to get it stuck, this isn't moving because it has nowhere to move to. So what we should do is we should set up col, and by default, so let's create a create event, col will equal 0. So that's simple. And we can copy this. Col equal 1. Then we go if col equals 1. Then we can go like that, and then we can set col to equal 0. So this will mean that instead of it keep on banging into it, it should go back. Yes, it does. It goes back the slightest amount. Where is it now? Is it? Oh, there it is. Hello. Which means that we can move and if we just let it hit us while we're stopped. Yeah, look at that. We have a player, and we have a enemy, which is nice. So object player, obviously, we can add actually a new event where in the draw event, we can go down here. We can go dead will equal 0, and if now this variable will have to be global, so we can go global var dead, and now draw, we can go down here and we can go if dead equals, actually we can put it way up here actually, so if dead equals 0, like that. And dead will equal 1 when, of course, you die. So if HP is below or equal to 0, then dead will equal 1. There we go. So now, what you can also do is we can go, where is the step thing where we can completely just go if dead equals 0, and we can just enclose the whole thing in brackets, and we can put the whole thing out just like that. Alright, so that's that. Next thing we want to do is we want to go into draw GUI up here, and we want to go if dead equals 0. We want to go right down to the bottom, and we want to enclose this whole thing. This is what draws all of the health bars and XP bars. So now if we die, if we just let it kill us like so, there we go. So we're dead. Nothing does anything now. The camera doesn't move. And we're going to make it where once you die, it'll fade in with that. And obviously it's still drawing the player. So now what we got to do is we got to put it in the step event, because obviously the player will keep moving. So if dead equals 0, so we've almost made a starting screen, which is nice, which I don't think we'll do. I think we'll just do this, because the starting screen, we a bit easy, and I can easily do it off camera. But let's do that. There we go. Woo, okay. Let's see how this goes. So let's just lure him out over here. Whoa, okay. No. Alright, Here we go. Kill me, please. Say, for example, we're just about to get away. And also, we're going to make it where regen equals 0. So now, he's going to be left there. There's going to be nothing here. We can't move. So, what we're going to do now is we're going to make it where alarm 0, attack equals 0, and where's regen? Is regen a thing? We do not have regen. We only have HP and HP max. How do we regen then? HP plus regen. What's regen equal? Where's regen? Oh, there it is. Regen equals 0.1. So, in alarm 0, we can set regen to equal 0.1. So, regen will equal 0.1. But while you're getting hit, it will not equal 0.1, obviously. So, we can go regen will equal 0. So that just means that while we're being hit in the course of half a second, we won't regen anything. So you can see we start to regen a bit, but it goes down a lot faster, which is nice. So we're going to actually set a new alarm called alarm 1, obviously. Rune speed times, we're going to go regeneration speed. We're going to make a new thing called regen speed equals 1. So, yeah. So we can just add this to everything. And we can make alarm. How long is that regen speed? Yeah, 1 second. Okay, so now we can make this alarm 1 equals times regen speed. Then we can add alarm 1, and we can do the same thing that we did before. So we can go regen equals 0.1, or we'll do like regen start. We'll make a new variable for that. So we'll just copy this and we'll go regen start equals 0.1. So actually you can just make this regen start equals regen just like that. Okay, so now we can just paste this in with regen, which no one has. Okay, that's why I couldn't find it. There we go. Alright, so now we can make it where regen equals regen start. Alright, so now regen should not be allowed until 1 second after we've been hit. Yeah, there we go. So it adds that cool little regen effect. So if we just get hit, it'll only start regening after that time, which makes it easy for other things to kill you. And that's that. It killed us. Look at that. So that's very nice. We'll save that. And we will put the enemy further away. Obviously the enemy isn't really going to do anything for now, so I mean we can put him over here, but we're just going to make him go slow now, like really slow. So what's speed M? Oh, there's no speed M. Speed M equals 15. Let's set that to like 5. So now he's going to go really slowly. There he is. Hello. Where are you? Ooh, that's you. It doesn't even shoot me away. Okay. So he's now going to go really slowly because we don't really need him. Anyway, that has been the stream. hope you all have enjoyed, and I will see you all later. I'll leave you with me playing, because why not? I'll go full screen for it. Does it still work? Yes, it does. Alright, I'll see you all later. I'll let this song play out, and I'll let you see me level up. Bye.